Hey, I am Jonathan Higbee, and I am here with the gorgeous Ashley Nell Tipton. We are working on the basics of photography. Today's assignment is for motion or movement, and how you utilize motion in your photography is through shutter speed. Have you ever seen a shutter speed dial before?
I've seen one, but I never knew what it was meant for.
Yeah.
So today you're gonna teach me.
We're gonna figure it out. This is actually a film camera. And on newer cameras like DSLRs or even a phone, there are settings in there and it will say shutter speed. What this does is it affects the shutter. And the shutter is how you expose the film or the sensor to get the picture. It rises up, the light floods in, and the picture is made, and then it shuts. So, when you are dealing with movement, you can either do a slow shutter speed, if you want to capture blurs and trails and that kind of artistic kind of stuff. 1 second is an ideal slow shutter speed. Like if you were walking and your skirt was moving, it would look really beautiful and have a blur. On the other end of the scale is the fast shutter, which freezes the action. I do this a lot for street photography because I want to freeze the moment to align elements perfect, including people. So I use 1/500th of a second. Super fast, I can't see it, and 1/1000th of a second is also fast. So you utilize that basically to use movement and motion however you want to creatively in your story, and just have fun with it, like we're about to do, right?
Okay, we're gonna go and try it out.
Hey everybody, I am so glad that you got to do this with us. Ashley did so good today. I'm so proud of her, especially with the bubbles and the lights. She really got an idea of how motion works with a slow shutter speed. So I can't wait for you all to see the photos. Please check out the Getty Unshuttered app and see what we did today. And good luck on the rest of the challenges.